what is the IAM? Identity and Access Management in GCP, Google Cloud Platform. So IAM stand for Identity and Access Management. So how you can just find it? So you can just type in the search bar IAM. If you are logged in with free account, so you will able to see like this type of interface. Currently, you are seeing in my video, and you got credited with 26,326 rupees almost. And if it is only for the 90 days, if you haven't watched that video of free trial, means how can you make a free trial Google Cloud Platform and use different type of data engineering services as well as analytics services. So you can just go and watch their video, and as well as please like, share, and subscribe our channel. So IAM stand for, I already explained, like I access to like identity to access management and identity access management. So this is the service for give permission, take permission, revoke permission to anyone. So how it is works? So now this GCP interface, you have to just click IAM, and after search it, after enter, you will find like IAM. After IAM, you will see this type of interface. Here you will see like how many person you have given the like a role or responsibility or means access to this Google Cloud Platform. So currently I have this is my original account which I made the GCP free services. So I am an owner of this account. This is the owner of this account, and this is my service account. So I'll explain what is a service account after that. And this is my compute engine accounts, means I will explain also this one. This is not necessary right now. So if you will just adding anyone, means if you are granting permission to access this Google Cloud Platform, so you can just go to grant access, and after that you can search it, his email ID. It should be associated with Gmail only. So it will be help Nikhil edu O double FICIAL @gmail.com. So I am mention my personal email ID, and now it is. So I want to give role. So I am provide you the access of, means if you want to give role like editor will only made some modification and use the services, add, delete or something, but he is unable to, you know, he's unable to take all the permission of the GCP, means as a IAM. So if you are giving honor of the service, so if you are honor and giving another person as a honor, so he can just remove you as well. So that's why always try to give the admin and editor services. So admin will take care of all services, means whatever permissions he needs, uh, he can just go with admin one. So you can just define here grant permission. After that, you can mention email ID. After the role, you can use it in basic role. There are some roles you can just browse it. Browse means access only GCP resources. Means he's only access all the resources of GCP like Google Cloud Platform, all services like uh, Google Cloud Storage, BigQuery, and Cloud Function, Cloud Data Flow, Cloud Transfer, all the GCP services of data engineering services. He can only access or browse. So editor. So when I come into the editor basic services, he can just view, create, and update, as you are able to see, delete. He can perform all the services like view, create, update, delete, and most Google Cloud resources. Lekin the problem is editor has less permission than viewer. So viewer also can just make some access of some resources. He can also perform the some things like, but the the permission is more than editor. So browser, there is nothing permission, only browse. Editor can some permissions, means main of the permission, he can access the all resources and create, delete, and update one. And viewer only all the things, but he can just view all the services. Honor. So honor is a full access of all Google Cloud Platform resources. When you provide the honor, he also can remove you from the IAM from your platform also. So don't forget to give only viewer, editor, and browser access. Don't give honor access. So if you are just working with GCP, any services, suppose I am working with BigQuery, so you can just give access related to the BigQuery. Like you can give a BigQuery admin only one services if you are working with client project and client gave you only the BigQuery service. So he must give you definitely BigQuery admin services. Means admin services. In admin services also you can just choose like BigQuery data editor, BigQuery data owner, like BigQuery job user. Means in BigQuery you can also use some services using this identity and access management. I hope you understood all the things. If you have any problem, so you can just comment below. I'll just explain one by one, or I will help you to anything related to that IAM. So I have given like this is a service account and this is my I am a owner of this. So now I'm coming what is a service account. Suppose if you want to just access your resources using Google Cloud using SDK. Means Google Cloud uh, SDK. SDK means software development kit. Means I already explained how to download it. Means if you want to do something like third party resources. Suppose I want to just extract the data from GCS and load into the BigQuery. So this needs to create the service account, because you whatever things you are doing you have to do with Google Cloud Platform. If you are going outside of this platform, so you need to create Google Cloud Services account, and after that you need to just create credential for that, means JSON key for that. So I am going to create service account, and I already created. Let me show you how you can just create it. So I have created the service account and it is enabled, and I already downloaded the JSON key for that. If you want to just create a service account for your, so yeah, here you will see like create service account. After that you have to just create service account name, whatever services like GCP data engineering services you are going to just access it. You have to just put your name here, and ID it will automatically assign it. In here you have to make some description like what services you are going to do, and after permission is optional and principal access also optional. Once it is done, so you can just once it is done you can just see like this type of page, like this type of page, and it is like showing like enabled. After that you will here find out the key. In key section you have to add here key, create new key, and just download it into local machine. So after using this key you can access all the services in your GCP Google Cloud Platform. But what you need to do, you have to give the access of IAM. Like I have given the access of IAM owner, because owner can access everything. If you are not giving the proper access, whatever services you are using, it will give the permission access, or it will throw the error while you creating the pipeline. So this is the very useful example of IAM. So if you not able to understand anything related to IAM, you can just comment down. I'll just explain you everything one by one. Thank you so much.